going on, Team Get This? Let's go ahead and jump right into this haircut tutorial. Right here, as you can tell, I am using the all gold Fabulous FX cordless clippers, and yes, I am using the wall premium guards with this clipper. No, this is not my clipper. Chris Bozio actually got one of the 100 clippers that were at the giveaway at the CT Barber Expo. This is number 9. It actually came in a gold brick. So right here I'm using my black Slimline Pros. They're not the LIs. They're the I believe they're the Slimline Pro 2s. I believe these are an older trimmer, but I really like them. I really like how they cut. So, and I can use them on kids and adults. They hit pretty good. Shout out to Lex Fade, one of the barbers here at my shop that I manage alongside Shannon Craft and at the Land O'Lakes location. And he actually set these for me because I am terrible at zero gapping or adjusting my clippers and trimmers, just because I am heavy-handed. So I kind of just let him do the honors. But so this is gonna be like a V cut. I got inspired by S-Craft Blends. If you don't know who he is, look him up on YouTube. His name is Shannon Craft, but he goes by S-Craft Blends on YouTube and also Instagram. I'll leave his link in the description below. But he actually did this haircut tutorial, and one of my clients was referring for his next son's haircut to do this haircut. So I got inspired by it, and I decided to do it. I think it came out fresh. If you know the originator of his haircut, please tag him below. I don't know who it is. So yeah. So basically, just we went ahead and started the V on the back, and then now I'm using the Wall Retro T-cut trimmers to go ahead and bald out the bottom of it all the way to where it's dark. And then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to fade the sides. Now I'm not going to really take any length off the top or where the V is, where the V is at in the middle. I'm gonna keep that dark because that's gonna give the illusion whenever I style his hair backwards. It's gonna look good whenever it's dark in that area, and just basically fade the sides. So these trimmers hit as well. And let me tell you, those gold FX clippers, my God, do they cut nice. And they're really light. Like, they look heavy. They look like a heavy clipper. They look real bulky, but man, they cut. I'm definitely gonna get me a pair. So basically what I did was I started with the lever all the way open. Now on this clipper right here, it has it to where it kind of has a click whenever you move the lever. It has a click to where you move it down or up to the next notch, and I kind of like that. It's different. It's kind of almost like the Masters, but you actually feel click. Right there is what I kind of showed you, how it kind of moved. You saw it kind of like hit each little step. But I started with the lever open and kind of just work with those different notches to take away that ball line. Now I went to my one guard lever all the way open, and now I'm working my way down to the closed position. Like I said, notice how I'm not going to cut too much into the back area. I'm just going to kind of blend that in. Now right here, this is the 1.5 guard. not the 1 guard, the 1.5 guard. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend that all the way to where it's disconnected on top. And I'm also gonna put a part from the front of his head to the side of his head on this side. And I understand it's a little bit blurry, but on the other side you'll see it'll be a little more focused. But basically what I did with this 1.5 guard is I went all the way to the top with the lever open, and then I worked my way to the close position to lighten up that area, and then I go back to my 1 guard, lever all the way open to get rid of any dark areas that the 1.5 guard left behind. I was very satisfied with how this haircut came out. You know, it's one of those things where you want to make sure the V in the back is even on both sides and very proportionate to the haircut and the blend on both sides. You know, it's a little tricky, especially if you're just now starting out cutting hair. You may not get this haircut down, you know, in the beginning, but you know, testing yourself and stepping outside of the box and doing a haircut or something that you're not really used to doing, which I'm not. I've never done a cut like this. So when my client hit me up and was like, yo, you trying to do this cut? I was like, yeah, let's do it. And let's also shoot a video, because if it comes out dope, you know, it's some good content. I always doubt myself. I don't know why, but I always doubt myself. But then whenever it turns out good, you know, I'm like, dang, you know, I killed it. Or you know, I give myself a pat on the back because I stepped outside my comfort zone, and you know, I think I killed it. Hopefully y'all think the same thing. You can tell that fade on the side is just bringing that V on the back of the haircut to a whole nother level. So right here you'll see it's a little more clear on this side. But I basically did the same thing as I did on the other side. Started with the lever all the way open, and then I just went notch by notch all the way to the close position. So it's like, you know, whenever you use the wall magic quarter clipper, I just go open, middle, close. But with this clipper, it's almost like I said, it's almost like the Andes Masters, to where you hit each notch and everything blends into one another. There's a 1 guard. And it's all the way open. Yeah, Chris Barber got one of the golden tickets to the 100 clipper giveaway at the CT Barber Expo, and you know, it's dope because whenever he gets new stuff like that or whatever, he brings it to the shop and lets the barbers use it. I think you know, we appreciate that. I'm gonna apply the Tune 45. I believe I used the hair fiber, Victory fiber. It's like a cream, you know, like a cream texture. Has a great scent to it, and it kind of gives it more of a shinier look. We have like a real shiny look, an in-between shiny, and then like a matte look where there's, you know, no shine at all. But I believe with this haircut and his hair texture, I actually asked Chris Barber on his opinion what hair product I should use, and he told me the Victory fiber would look real nice with this haircut, so that's what I went with. I think it's dope that the premium guards fit, because you know, I only cut with wall as far as clippers, and whenever I figured that out, I was like, dang, that's dope. But they actually come with some guards, and I haven't used them, but I heard they're pretty good, the guards that it comes with. I think that blend is a little blurry. The finished look looks crazy, man. Hopefully y'all watch the video all the way through and learn something. It's basically using the same steps as I usually do with the wall clippers, but I actually just use every notch to blend. I didn't skip a notch. I'm pretty sure I could have, but I wanted to just get the full feel of the clipper. And then right here I'm using my retro T-cut trimmers, my wall retro T-cuts, to line them up in the front. We're not going to push them back, keep it as natural as possible. Now you could tell I could line them up right there, but like on the right side how it has a little bit of baby hair. But no kid or nobody wants an edge up that's super small in the front. You want to make it look like, you know, a nice edge up. There's no pushbacks over here. So chill, guys, chill. I'm using trolls in the comment section, but it is what it is. So right here I'm going to go ahead and put that part from the front of his head to right where the cut is disconnected at on this side. Man, that fade is blurry. Blurry season. Watch when I put this product in and blow dry it and brush it and have it stand up to how I want it. So that Victory Fiber is now in there, and he has some real natural curls. So only one side of the style looked like I wanted it to look, but on the other side it was real curly. Like this product was not. It wasn't going against his curls. His curls was fighting hard. But that's what his dad said. He's like, man, I try to put anything in his head, or everything in, you know, as far as hair products, and them curls, they always win. Which I think it looked dope at the end anyway. So but a cut like this on a kid, man, kids are the future. I love cutting kids. So, you know, for a kid to have a fresh cut like this, I think it's dope. I think it's definitely a good look. And I actually enjoyed doing his haircut, like the whole time, the whole day. All day I was just talking about this haircut, and I couldn't wait to drop it on YouTube. I'm actually doing this voiceover at 1 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. But this is the finished look. V-cut in the back, ball fade on the side. Put the 245 Victory Fiber in his hair, and that style just came out dope. Hope you like, subscribe, share, and comment. Team Gifted, stay gifted.